Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut kelaki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kajala uba kami yak tanat PWD roads. Uba Perstun Tynsong, ulaong baka jing temu ban snai ka Surok high speed corridor kan Kyntiew bhai ka yok ka kot ha Meghalaya. Bat kan penling kot ru ya ka jingai lenti ka jalan jongki kali ling ba kan ni ka jala. Haba karan sikilap thai khubor halo ka jinglong jingman jong ani ka project uba Perstun ulaong nakabenta ka package 1 batu ladap ban kot tender bat hari boy district ya ka jaka ladap ban penbet malung mala. Kat ba ka jing penbet ya ka lain jong ka Surok Hakasi Hills bat West Kasi Hills kanang kami simpor nama danru ki benta ki bahap ban penbet ya ka lenti jong ka Surok ha East Kyntiew Hills.
I think you are asking this question. I think you will experience yourself. But let me tell you, when we mention about the expressway, you understand. Instead of traveling 3 hours, 1.5 hours, it is completely shortened. So that itself you understand how many hours we save. Number 2, this is also the economic corridor, which I personally feel if we completed this project, the flow, because Meghalaya is the main transit state. So ultimately, as I said to you, the flow of the traffic value will increase, and also the economic activities, I'm very sure, will increase vehemently.
But so why are we going for a 4-lane expressway and not a 6-lane expressway? Because 6-lane expressway is quite a common asset in different parts of the world.
Well, I think you need to understand one thing. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, especially minus Assam, in the northeastern state, it's a hilly area. It is not at all possible. Now let me give you the example of Shillong Dawki Road. Even 2-lane is so difficult. I think you must have seen it. There are portions which, if you talk about 4 lanes, it's so tight, so difficult. So therefore, the main reason here is why the government of India does not want to go for 6 laning. It's because of these constraints that we have in the state of Meghalaya. So in fact, package 1, package 2 tenders has been already invited. Riboy district, as I said to you, the land is more or less finalized. The alignment has been finalized. Even Kasi Hills and West Kyntiew Hills. Now we do have some portions in East Kyntiew Hills, which is the discussion is on.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak sadani ti email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay tingi sedang sya no 4 rooms tamba naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand naka daw ka floor jong ki torres kila sedang bod ading in sala ban expand jo 4 room at current ni dan khatsan room habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies bawan ship ni kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun pagin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dat puli tingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi la yo ban tap aka state la jong kitores kilong la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pam kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai iba ka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lani ki instay lani kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive ka wai ka award ma katin ba ka gold award jang tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka po tekan ka ni ka wai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lot ya baro